nasa may CNT siya. Here comes Montes, guarded by DJ Pascual. Montes, pass to Bacani. Full of J, our ball, rebound by Pascual. Pass to PJ, pass to Trinidad, 2 points. Timeout going in. Back to Montes. Montes, looking for his teammates, pass to Discipulo. Discipulo, lays it up, 2 points para kay Discipulo. AJ, pass to Trinidad. Trinidad, lays it up, basket is good para kay Trinidad. Here comes Quito, pass to Montes, guarded by Trinidad. Montes in the play right now, back to Quito, guarded by PJ. Quito, attack Trinidad. Right
Pascual. This guy has 2 points. What Pascual. Montes, going for his teams. Montes, very disciple. 3, side edge. 2 points. Para disciple. Pascual on the moves. Pascual, very Trinidad. Trinidad lumabas ng bola. Trinidad, another Pascual. Ball. Shares the ball with another Pascual. They're good. Trinidad underneath, they're good. Trinidad again, 2 points. Para Trinidad. Montes, guarded by Trinidad. Montes, Trinidad Bacani. Montes agrees 3. Short. Ilang blue shot, they're good. Pascual with points. Stolen by Trinidad. At the middle, lose the ball now by Montes. Montes, 100. 2 points. Para Cortez. Pascual, bounce, out the middle, shots, Virovici, 2 points.
Lakas ang ano?
Montes. Montes takes a low one. No good. Pascual with board, lose the ball. Nakakuha ni De La Cruz, underneath shot. No good. Bottom for the ball, nakakuha ni Pascual. Bounce, lose the ball. Back carry, 100. No good. Copy ka na bola, nakakuha ni Discipulo. 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 Ay, din sa para sa PCN siya. Going for swinging. Ivani. Body with the ball. Shares the ball with Montes. Montes, 100. 2 points. Para jersey number 13, Montes. Bobby Pascual na rin. De La Cruz. De La Cruz. Gone with Montes. De La Cruz. Kaya discard. Binigay ni Pascual. Pascual. Trinidad. Lose the ball. Out of bounds. Danabo. 14 seconds to shoot. Pascual. He inbounds the ball to another Pascual. Trinidad on the post. Got to be behind it. Attacking Pascual at the middle shot. 2 points.
Lagi ng Pascual.
Quito shares the ball out of bounds. Substitution. Here's the whistle. Montes caught traveling violation. Third over. On the way, Rick. Trinidad shares the ball with Pascual. Pascual, join over Pascual on the post. Connecting Pascual shot. 15 footers still 2 points para jersey number 18, Pascual. Discipulo, Bates, Dax, lose the ball out of bounds. Same ball. Quito, Tagrani, Montes on Bacani. Bacani at the post, back to Montes. Bates, at the middle, shot, 100, no good short. Nakuha ni Trinidad, side stepping move. 2 points, parang 3
Tanong na sila.
Change, favor 1 point lead para sa Barangay 200. 20-19 ang ating tala. 9 minutes and 13 na tala. Discipulo, Bacani. Out of bounds. Pascual with the ball, guarded by Montes. Pascual to Trinidad, orchestrating traffic. To Kumagon to Pascual underneath, out of bounds. Third over. 14 Bakani back to Mate. To Montes on the box. Montes. Sizing up two defenders. Montes bombs. Feeds. Shots. 2 points para Itursho.
Meron si Lucky.
Pascual. Bigay sa Pascual bombs. Lose the ball. Nakuha ng Discipulo. Discipulo. There's no whistle. Out of bounds. Turnover. Pascual with the ball. Trinidad. Trinidad pass. Pascual to Kumagon on the post. Kumagon. Sizing up Discipulo. Kumagon speeds. Bombs. Lose the ball. Nakuha. There's no whistle. There's a foul. Who's got it? Personal foul. Pascual. Deep foul. Bakani to Montes. Montes stays an 18-footer. No good. Now what Kumagon? Kumagon 2. Trinidad. Trinidad. Gonna be Montes. Trinidad attacks on the side. Says lays it up over Tigara. No good. Kumagon underneath. 2 points. Montes, Tulaki Kibana, face, shots, free throw, J incoming, no good. Pascual shots underneath, no good. Final one ball now with Montes. Montes attacks, side says out the middle, shots over Kumagon, 2 points. Final rolls, guarded by Kibana. Trinidad, stolen by Montes. Montes bombs, face, shots underneath, 2 points. Para Montes. Time out, Barangay 200. Official score natin, 25-22, 3-point lead by PCN Misha. 7 minutes and 20 squad. 15 down on the ball. Binigay ko naman Kumagon, shots over kill para Butler sa Misha. And about 2 points para Kumagon. Jersey number 27, Lucky Kibara, his first personal foul. 17 foul. And the middle jersey number 5, in his bonus throw. Bonus round, no good. Discipulo with the ball. Discipulo iniwan Bakani, lose the ball. Bakani recovers. Bakani bombs at the middle. Took him out of beats. Nilapit ng mga 2 points. Bakani lucky. Here comes Trinidad. Trinidad, Ormes ready driving para sa mga team. Trinidad attacks. Trinidad bombs. Slide. 2 points. Bakani with the ball. Out of bounds. Safe ball.
Pinausap na namin, pumayag na ako.
Bakani, he comes the ball to Montes. Montes feeds. Montes to Kibara underneath feeds. Bombs. Shots. Here's the pass. 2 points. Bakani lucky. Pascual takes a low one. No good. Down of bounds.
Pala niya kaya yung mga pinapautang niya. Ito nga mag-game, pero hindi nga pinapapasimulan pa sila na
Out of bounds.
3 point naman yung 3 point ang sunod.
Trinidad, Dorcas Trinidad. To Pascual on the post. Pascual attacks. Shots. 2 points para si number 2, Pascual. Down to 1 point lead, dadagdagan ba? Wala kay Kibera, shot. Nasa middle, no good, bottom for the ball. Tapping and wala na Kumagon, shots. Yes, the last 2 points para Kumagon. Change, people. Lawan na bumuha sa Kagay. Wait. Discipulo. Ito ka ni Andrew. Feeds, shots, 2 points para Rayson Bakani. Here comes Trinidad in the middle, but there's forwards. Bakani at the middle, shooting 2 free throws. First one, in and out. Same try jumpers ready. Get two ball. Two. Rayson Bakani.
Paano ka
pasalan. Siya kasi hindi pasalan.
De La Cruz, 38 number 4, Trinidad. Back to De La Cruz, De La Cruz attacks. Bringing it to Trinidad, Trinidad underneath, big speeds. Shots underneath, no good, bottom of the ball, out of bounds. The ball goes through Barangay 200, last time Fred Montez. De La Cruz, may daan ang bola para sa Barangay 200. De La Cruz, 10 seconds to shoot. Bringing Trinidad. Trinidad. To Pascual. Pascual at the minute De La Cruz now stolen by Montez, 2 points. Manila De La Cruz attacks. De La Cruz showing style. Lose the ball. Big shots over Pascual. In and out, nabigyan ang bola na nakuha ni Disciplo. Disciplo. Montez takes a low, a short. Trinidad shots over Guevara, 2 points. Disciplo. May tayo ng bola para sa Mason Misha. Disciplo. Lower for his teammates. Service the ball para sa Disciplo. Disciplo attacks. Disciplo. Pulling it up. Pass it to good. Pascual underneath. Jersey number 22. Bukani.
Sabit lang to.
First try is good. Para Bukani. The second try. Javers ready.
Para nga malaman kung makakatayo ito eh.
That's super short. Here goes back to the Williams. Kumaton. Nakabuelo, yun nga. There's a whistle, 2 points, and foul. Jersey number 22, Rizal Bacani. Second personal foul, warning for penalty.
Papilog mo lang, nakalagay mo sa kanya.
No good, now winning Guevara. Shots underneath. Basket is good, para nila Guevara.
Sa Boracay, meron dun. Dito. Sabi niya.
De La Cruz, may kawan ang bola. Makini ball para sa Barangay 200. Side 7 moves straight to defender. Side of the middle. 2 points. Montez on the post. To the heart, the middle. Place it up. No good. Kumakaw yung ball. Kumakaw.
Penge.
Bacani in Bacani serving sa lower. Bacani lower for his teammates. Binigay Montez. Montez. Bacani with the lock. 10 seconds to shoot. Montez. To Guevara. Fakes. Shots over Pascual. That's 2. Brought away the run. De La Cruz. To Pascual. Shot. Good. There's home with Montez. Bomb. Started by 2. Out of bounds. Sounds good for it.
Daw po. Pep! May butas?
Mababa sa gilid. Pascual, binigay doon ng gol. Bumaba ng gol. Back to De La Cruz. De La Cruz taps. Yan sa Luis Quito. Good Pascual. Pascual shot. AC and Misha ball out of bounds. Turnover. Quito. Montez on the post. Montez to Guevara. Fakes. Guevara pumps. Lose the ball. Montez recovers. Montez. Straight by Guevara. Montez. Back to Guevara. Guevara. Shot. Stolen by Pascual to De La Cruz. De La Cruz shots. No good. Disciplo on the board. Disciplo. Disciplo attacks. But there's a whistle. And a foul. Yes, spin. Here's the number. First line, no good. Second try. John versus ready. Level ko yung final for ball na ako rin ang squad sa ito ay naman 2 points. Change 3-4, 42 point lead. Para sa Barangay 200, babawasan pa nila Montes. Montes, screen by Guevara. Montes, lead is started. Montes, fakes, yes, fakes shots. Side the middle, 2 points para Montes. Pascual to De La Cruz. Ball number 2. De La Cruz to Pascual. Pascual underneath, stolen by Discipulo. Discipulo palms, spins, glove by Kumagol Montes. To Guevara. Guevara shots over Pascual, but there's a whistle. Substitution. First ball break. First ball break. Stick is good. Ball ay lang ay Guevara. Dano po. Officials ko natin 41-42, 1 minute and 40 atong lang. Pascual on the post, bringing in De La Cruz, spins after middle shot, good, Kumagol underneath, 2 points. Baral, good number by Kumagol. Montes, bringing dito, back to Montes, don't like Ibarra on the post. Ibarra fakes, shots over, Trinidad, but there's a whistle, Trinidad committed. His first personal foul, penalty. At the minute, jersey number 37 from Missy and Michelle, Layo Gara, showing videos. First rise good, Sandra, Jobbers ready. That's 2-2. Wow, lucky. 2-point lead para sa Macy and Misha. Here comes Kumagol on the goals. Kumagol spin, shots over Montes. Easy, 2 points. All 46. Kido to Guevara. Montes in the pass to Kumagol. Guevara recovers. Guevara to Kido. Kido fakes. Kido attacks. Kido pass to Montes. Montes to Discipulo at the middle mix here up. Here's the guys are good. Pascual, nilabas ang konti ng 2 points. Bilis tayo, running time na. Kido to Guevara. 1-5. Green dot. Montes na naman sa pick ni Pascual. Lose the ball. Nakuha ni Montes. But there's always a ball and foul. Post ball rip, Trinidad committed. Second personal foul, penalty. At the middle, jersey number 13. Gerson Montes. First try, very good. Second try. That's over. Pascual. Sige na, Pascual back to Trinidad. Trinidad. Level for his teammates. Trinidad to Pascual. Pascual back to Trinidad. Nakalabay Montes. Lose the ball. Nakuha ni Guevara. Red shot back. Montes takes a long one. No good. Discipulo with the ball. Discipulo palms. Kumagol. 2 points. Nice assist. Kido. Kido may kahanan bola. Lang ni Guevara shots. 2 points. Bilis tayo. Last 10 seconds. Running time tayo. De La Cruz. Inbound sa wall. Good green dot. Green dot. Low percent. Kaso De La Cruz. To Pascual. Kumagol on the post. To Green dot underneath. 5 points. One sa Barangay 200. 12 on the clock. Montes. Montes. Screen by Bacani. Montes. Attacks. Bombs. Stolen by Kumagol. Stolen by Pascual underneath 2 points.
Palayo na.
Bacani takes a long one. He uses a gas. Dos. Pascual takes a 3-ball. No good. Here comes Trinidad. Trinidad. Stolen by Gibana. Gibana to Discipolo. Discipolo attacks. Discipolo speeds. Going for his teammates. Back to Gibana. Gibana. To Bacani. Bacani. 10 seconds to shoot. Montes. Waits. Montes. Right. Side. Lays it up. 2 points by Montes. Trinidad, binigay Tumagon. Tumagon, dance with Bacani. Tumagon, shots. No good, tabi ng bola ko. Trinidad, no good. Tumagon with a rebound shot. 2 points. Bacani nagpapalalay naman. 2 points. Montes. Montes attacks. Montes. To Discipolo. Fakes. 10 seconds to shoot. Montes. To Guevara. Guevara takes a long one. Short. Ako ni Bacani. Bacani spins, but there's a foul. There's the number 5 from Magal committed. His first personal foul, second team foul. Montes. 10 seconds to shoot, Montes. Montes takes a long one. No good. Bottom ball, loose ball foul. Called on jersey number 21, Pascual. His second personal foul, third team foul. Dynamo. Montes attacks. Julan by Pascual. Out of bounds. Bacani. He wants the ball. Discipolo. Morgan ready grabe para sa Messi Nisa. Discipolo attacks. 10 seconds to shoot. Discipolo to Bacani. Lose the ball. Out of bounds. Pascual, back Titimon. Trinidad. Pascual on the post. 2, Trinidad. Trinidad attacks at the field side. Second move, lays it up. 2 points. Montes. Guarded by Trinidad. Montes. Started by Torgon. Recovers by Discipolo. Montes. Takes a long one. Montes. No good. Nakakuha rin. Pascual.
Dami ng try na 3 points.
Red shot clock para sa mga nagawan. Red Pascual. To Catherine Pascual. Lays it up. Pinali no good. Started by Lalaki Guevara. Fakes. Shots. No good. Nakakuha ni Kumagon. 2 points.
Galing ni Kamang.
Time out. Casey and Misha. Misha scored on the Vegas 9:15 on the clock. Started by Trinidad. Mayes Marshall lays it up. 2 points. Montes attacks, space the defender, but there's a whistle and a foul. Who's foul with? Jersey number 5. Comagon. 15. Trinidad committed. Third personal foul, warning the penalty. At the middle, jersey number 13 from AC and Misha. From one best, shooting two free throws. First line is good para mga best and try jumpers ready. No good. Kumagal recovers the ball. Nakapunta kay Trinidad. Trinidad, gano'n may Montes. Trinidad, inisa sa play pa. Binigay ito ng Cruz. De La Cruz on the top of the key. Binigay kay Trinidad. Trinidad. All the way Bacani. Out of bounds. Same ball. Dynamo. Here's Wilson. Improper bench take on the ball. Bench ang missing siya. Usog-usog dahil yan. Kumagawa on the balls. Binigay Pascual. Pascual shots over to receiver, no good. Out of bounds. Ball goes to Barangay 200. Last touch by Bacani. De La Cruz. May tawa ng ball. Amang Kitimon. Annabelle Soliman dito sa front flat. Who's foul red? Jersey number 21 Pascual. His third personal foul. Penalty. Annabelle Jersey number 27 from East personalized group. Second drive. John first ready. That's the Redo, Barangay Lalaki Divara. Official score number 77-9, 9-point lead by Barangay 200. Kamagon. Pumps. Kamagon. Speeds. Goes the ball. Bacani recover shots. There's a foul on Kamagon. Second personal foul on Kamagon. Penalty. First throw, no good para Eurasian Body, second drive. Second drive, no good para Bruno Nakuha, disimula no good, mabigyan na pala Nakuha, first one no good. Kumagawa underneath, 2 points. One is having to run out, hold on, Maray Montes.
Kita mo ba?
Montes. Montes attacks. Bomb, something on loose, but there's no whistle. Jersey number 13 in a loose committed. He's second personal foul penalty. And the middle jersey number 13 from Mason. He's at here from Montes, shooting 2 free throws. Nice good. Maray Montes, second try, John first ready. Mabata, dahil kayo. Baseball, usog-usog kayo, both benches, usog-usog. Barangay dahil, usog. Second try is good. Usog kayo, usog. Papa sa gilid. Pascual, De La Cruz. De La Cruz, stands to your body. De La Cruz, attacks. De La Cruz, palm, stop. Binigay kay Green Dot underneath, 2 points. Waray Green Dot. 11-point lead, 83-72. Montes, gone away Pascual. Montes. Screen by Discipolo. Montes. Montes attacks. Labors teammates. And there's the result. Jersey number 2, Pascual. Kumilit. Warning to graduate. Penalty. And the jersey number 13 from St. Misha Bershon Montes. Shooting 2 free throws on the charity line. De La Cruz, gone away Montes. De La Cruz. To Trinidad, thanks to Bacani. Trinidad, back to De La Cruz. De La Cruz, Kamagon, attacks and Rubino, shots. Hail Mary shot is good, 2 points. Paray Kamagon. Back to 12-point lead. Bacani, inbounds the ball to Montes. Montes, service the ball. Montez attacks out of the middle, switching there's a whistle. 2 points and a foul. Mula kay jersey number 13, De La Cruz. His third personal foul penalty at the middle for his bonus throw.
Chan, nasa na Chan? Uwi na.
No good, Trinidad, shots over the ball, no good, tabi ka na bola na kuha ng Disciple. Disciple back to Montez. Montez attacks, 100 at the middle, 2 points. Substitution for Squally, De La Cruz out. Robinson's gone on the center, 7:85. Pascual. To Trinidad at the post. Back to Pascual. Cross-court pass to Comagon. Comagon at the post, starting with Disciple. Comagon. That's with Disciple. Comagon at the middle. Lays it across the ball. Now going to Pascual. Spins. Blocked by Disciple. Montez with the ball. Side set. Palms to Guevara. Guevara, palms. Shots. Good. Tabi ka na bola na kuha ni Trinidad. Trinidad. Domina pa. Raise it up. 2 points. Bakari to Montez. Montez attacks. Montez got him by 2. Montez cross-court pass to Disciple. Out of bounds. 6 minutes and 20 on the clock. Collisions natin. 10-point lead, 7. Pascual. Takes his time. Binigay kay Pascual. Pascual. To Comagon. Got him by Guevara. Comagon. Tago deep. Screen by Trinidad. Comagon at the rear side self. Binigay kay Pascual. Left ball alone. Underneath the good. Foul. Jersey number 16. Pascual. His third personal foul. Penalty.
Ay, yung kamay ko. Ano na? Kasi pinagin.
Good.
Uy.
First right, second right is good para kay Alias Penoy. Pascual. Pascual binigay kay Trinidad on the post. Kala may kumara. Trinidad spins. And Pascual, step back. Pascual attacks. Side center move. Sorry by Montez. Montez, napunta kay Bakani. 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 Palms. To Disciple. Bigs. Shots. Bakani. Bakani palms. Shots. Good. Good. Bakani. Foul. Jersey number 2. Pascual. Jersey number 2. Pascual. Right away with high honors. Technical throw para sa Mason Misha. Good to the center to hall. Technical throw para Jersey Montez. Technical throw is good. At the middle, jersey number 22, Rachel Bakani from Mason Misha, shooting 2 free throws. First try is good, para kay Mason Bakani, second try. Galvers ready.
Upo ka dito.
That's 2-2, para kay Pan. Officials got an 87-81, down to 6-point lead para sa Barangay 200. Trinidad on the post. To the ball. Shots.
Yung talaga ni Kamagong.
On the man, Yara, he was out of bounds. Mason Misha ball. Montez. Montez takes a low one. Babay na sa liwang, walang Barangay 200, 84, Trinidad. Magtitiwang Trinidad, Galloway Montes. Trinidad binigyan ng espasyo, screen by Kumagon, hindi ginamit. Trinidad attack sa gitna, binigay kay Kumagon, Antonio shot. 2 points. Guevara hesitates for 3. Binigay kay Discipulo. Discipulo fades, attacks, release it up. No good. Nabigyan ng bola kay Pascual. Pascual. Here's the last, no good. Pascual underneath, 2 points. Swallow jersey number 21, Pascual. Here goes Montes, another 3-pointer. 1, 2, 3. Pascual, Domagon. Here's the Lisa. And a foul. Discipulo committed. His first personal foul, second team foul. Trinidad. Kumagon on the post. Kumagon. Palms. Calling for 2, binigay kay Pascual. Pascual takes a long one. 1, 2, 3. Para kay Pascual. Jason Montes. Montes, sa gitna. Montes, back to Discipulo. Discipulo hesitates for D. Fade. Taps. Lose the ball. Nakakuha kay Pascual. Kumagon. Kumagon. Let ball home. 2 points. De La Cruz, he wants the ball 2. Trinidad, Kumagon. Kumagon, Palms. At the middle, lose the ball. Nakakuha kay Pascual. Nabigyan ng bola, Pascual again to Kumagon. Kumagon, shots underneath, no good. Kumagon, same drive. 2 points in front up. Here's number 8, Discipulo. His second personal foul, 13 down. Bonus throw on jersey number 5, Kumagon. From Barangay 200. Discipulo with ball. Discipulo, very gentle. Montes, 18-footer incoming, 2 points. 191 natin tayo, 9.3. Dali kita pala Barangay 200. De La Cruz. De La Cruz, kanan bola, kanan kay 2. De La Cruz, kanan kay Tito. De La Cruz. Binigay Trinidad, Trinidad attack, sumila na naman. No good, copy na bola na ako, Discipulo. Discipulo, to Montes. Montes fakes, attack, side step, Sabanino, 1-2 points, para kay Montes. Here comes Trinidad. Trinidad, Galloway Montes. To Pascual. Pascual. On De La Cruz. On the post. De La Cruz bombs, diba? Kumagon at the middle. Lace it up. Really, no good. Kumagon again. 3-1 deals the last 2 points. Montes. Takes another low one. No good. Copy ng bola na ako and Discipulo. No good. Guevara. Palms. Fakes. To Quito. Quito raises the blade to Montes. Montes splits it to the side side over, raise it up. Bangs it. 2 points. Trinidad with the ball. To Pascual on the post. Pascual, Palms Guevara. Fade away J. No good. Ano ko mo nakakuha ni Guevara. Guevara. Nakalabay ko mag-goal. Guevara. Tok-tok. Ito takes a low one. Short. Nakakuha ni Pascual. Pascual to Guevara. Guevara. No good. Discipulo. 2 points. 1 Discipulo. First slice good para Quito. Second drive para Ayabo. Jumpers ready. Pass number 2 para Kumagon.
Okay, kasi Kamagon.
Discipulo, flat to Montes. Montes attack sa label. Binigay Bakani. Bakani fade. Shot. sa Pagkakon, yung foul. Kumagon committed, third personal foul penalty. And the jersey number 22 from Mason Bakani.
Ay, sayang.
First line no good. Same time, John versus Levy.
Ay, that clearance.
That's 102, what are your Mason? Gone. 102, 106. Great job. To boundary in a Cruz, got him in the middle. In a Cruz, to Pascual. Pascual. Hold. Great time. Steps on the gas. Shots are good. Get up to the ball. Start it well. Benches, gilid-gilid tayo, benches. Makapahat yan sa gilid. Papa. Bakani, inbound sa ball to Montes. Montes back. Shots. And foul. Foul on jersey number 13 in the Cruz. What? De La Cruz, point personal foul. Right into Henry. Second line, Baray Montes. Second line is good, Barangers from Montes. 104, 106. 33 seconds on the clock. De La Cruz to Pascual. Down to De La Cruz. De La Cruz. De La Cruz. Here's Pascual. The three guys. Solid by Isidro. Isidro is out. Isidro again. First ball left jersey number 30. De La Cruz. Kumagon attack, shots over Bakani, but there's a whistle. Goes down there, jersey number 22, Bakani, his third personal foul penalty. First right knee elbow to Roy, Melville first ready. Bench versus guy bench. Stand running out the shoot. 107, 105. 2-point lead, Lebanon and Duan and Montes. Montes sizing up mid on. Out to mid a shot. Out of bounds. Dari to Montes. Montes takes a long one. Melville kabila na bola na wala Pascual.
Ano pa, Paul?
The ball goes to Barangay 200. Pascual. Tumunidad. Tukumagan ng place. Tukumagan. Barangay 2. Kumagan. There's the whistle. 200 ball. 22 seconds on the clock. 19 on the shot clock. Pascual, ball by 3. Pascual, the green card. Another Pascual, ball by 6. Okay, sense 2. Pascual, the green card, 3. Shots, 1. 6 remaining, Montes. Attacks out of the middle, shots, lays it up. 2 points. 4 seconds on the clock. Trinidad, Green bounce the ball. Foul. Montes to it. Second break. Rest of the quarter. Second. Another grip. Turn down. PC needs the ball. 3 seconds on the clock. 107, 109. Third break. Montes attacks. Montes beats. Shots.